Maintenance of home appliances, mixer. When Seema was making juice for some guests at home, her mixer broke down. Then she remembered the girls of our Pratham Handy Skill Brigade. And the girls of the brigade immediately reached to help her. To repair the mixer, they took some tools like combination pliers, neon tester, wire stripper, spanner, screwdriver, long nose pliers, and series test lamp. The girls from the brigade found that the mixer was running slowly due to the wear and tear of the carbon brush. While changing it, they also informed Seema about other things related to the maintenance of the mixer. Sometimes the mixer does not run due to lack of proper power supply. Therefore, always check the supply carefully. If the mixer stops working again and again, it means that the mixer is overloaded. In such a situation, turn off the power supply, then reduce the amount of substance filled in the mixer jar. After that, press the overload protection switch located below the mixer, checking the supply and resetting the overload protection switch. Both these problems can be fixed at home. If the mixer is making excessive noise, then check the bush and shaft. If it is damaged, then replace it. Sparking in the mixer may be due to armature short, so check and correct it. The reason for current coming into the body of the mixer can be water leakage from the mixer jar into the motor. Check it and correct it. If the overload protection switch is faulty, check it with a series test lamp. If the switch is damaged, replace it. Mixer may get jammed due to lack of oil in the bush. Check and replace it. If the armature doesn't seem to be working properly, test the armature. If it is damaged, replace it. An electrician may be required to repair the faults in the mixer. But before going to the electrician, it is important to know which part is responsible for which fault. Thanks to the girls of the Handy Skill Brigade, Seema and you too have the knowledge about proper maintenance of the mixer and making it last longer. In this video, the Handy Skill Brigade informed Seema about possible problems in a mixer like no electric supply, damage to the bush, exhaustion of the carbon brush, armature failure, current coming into the body of the mixer. They provided information about these issues and how to fix them.